Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Hatsune Miku. You should do the same steps for after downloading all the Hatsune Miku stuff. So yeah, as you can see, this is the Hatsune Miku pre-approved stuff. So let's get started on the video, and please enjoy, like and subscribe, or whatever to do. And plus, here is if you're rich, you should buy the full version. But if you're broke like me, you should buy the you know 39 day trial version. So probably you should click that the link thingy. Probably, and you should download waveform first. But let's just download Hatsune Miku first. Then you just go to this website. Go to this URL I showed you. Then I will just send the link in the description below. And if you already bought it, you should click the add to cart. Then after downloading it, I already purchased it. So then you click the add to cart. Then you go to the shopping cart. Then you could just buy it. Then at all times, it's like a licensed Krypton thing, so be careful. And I don't know how to, and here you go. If after downloading waveform you will see all these steps, then you have to complete these. Then when you go to plugins, or then after scanning these, then you just go you just you just now get this. You see the VST plugin is not available because I wasted my time on that. But you could double click this after putting it one after putting the PR Pro thingy. Then you could double click it. Then a pop-up will show up. You have to wait. Then be patient. Then you sign into your Sonic Wire account. Also, make sure that you are signed in out before purchasing Hatsune Miku. So yeah, after you sign in, you will get the oh my god, mesmerized the background. Yeah, then you will get this. Get this pop up. Then you're already done. Yeah. Then you're done. Then you're good to go. Here you go. Yeah. It doesn't really work because my stupid eye couldn't fix it. But I'm using a voiceover because I forgot to turn on my microphone. So yeah. Here we go. It will work for you. But yeah. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. But next time I will make a no towel tutorial if I can. But yeah, stay tuned for more tutorials and more videos. And make sure to like and subscribe. It's your choice, and I don't care. You can subscribe or not subscribe, or you can dislike or not dislike. But I don't care. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. Miku. So let's get the track engine website, how to download waveform. Of course you should go to waveform free. Yo. Oh my god, I'm too sick. Yeah, and after signing in, you should sign in to your account first. Then you just click download it. Then you download it. I already downloaded it. So after oh my god, I accidentally. So then here you go. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. I should really check the clear video instead of yapping random stuff. So thinking is just the same. So my God, I'm actually good. I have no idea what the frick is happening. So then, how to get Miku to speak. You double click this. Then how if you have if, if you have no mouse, you just double put tap with your 2 fingers. Yeah. And how to adjust pitch? So you go there and you click. You do the same thing. So yeah, here we go. This is just a clip of me doing stuff, random stuff. Keep in mind that that will affect your account. Yeah, you get that's how it works. So keep in mind that it will affect your account and stuff, but not that much of an effect, but it will affect the application. Plus make sure that, and if you download it, reinstall it or something, make sure it won't really reset, because it will stay the same. Instead of going through these painful processes, you should leave it as it should be. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to drop a like and subscribe button. It's optional, but yeah. Actually, and you check out one of these videos. Yeah.